Hello dear students, once again I welcome back everyone to our physics class. So children, in the last video we have learned about our measurement of temperature. Okay, and how can we measure temperature? So children, we have learned that thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure our body temperature, and we have learned different types of scales of temperatures. What are they? Your Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. I hope that you all of you have understood it. So today we will discuss some different types of our thermometer. A thermometer used for measuring the body temperature is known as our clinical thermometer. Okay children, the thermometer which we are using during our fever, that is our clinical thermometer, because it measures the temperature of our body. It is so designed that even after removing it from the patient's mouth, the level of mercury remains stationary. Okay, children? Stationary means constant. It measures only a short range of temperatures from 35 degrees centigrade to 43 degree centigrade. This is because the temperature of the human body does not vary beyond these limits. Okay, children? That means the minimum temperature of a human body is 35 degree centigrade and maximum temperature is 43 degree centigrade. So our temperature will be remaining between these two temperatures. Okay. The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degree centigrade or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So children, remember it. It is an important point. The normal temperature of human body is our 37 degree centigrade in case of Celsius scale, and in Fahrenheit scale it is 90.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, here the figure of your clinical thermometer is given. I hope that you all of you have seen this type of thermometer. Nowadays, digital thermometers are used by doctors to measure the human body temperature. At our home also, this type of thermometer is there. They are safer for use as compared to our clinical thermometers because they do not have mercury in them. A digital thermometer beeps for 1 minute after it is placed in the mouth or under the armpit. Then we can know how much temperature we have. So children, our digital thermometer is more accurate than our clinical thermometer. Okay, and nowadays we are using digital thermometer. As here we are not using any mercury type liquid, it is easier for us to carry anywhere else. Then our laboratory thermometer. As the name tells, it is used in our laboratory. Okay. In the laboratory thermometer, the markings on the stem are from minus 10 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade. You can see in this scale, the lower fixed point is given minus 10 degree and upper fixed point is our 100 degree centigrade. Each of these divisions is equal to 1 degree Celsius. Okay, children? Then our maximum and minimum thermometer. The maximum thermometer uses mercury as liquid. A small iron index with a spring attached to it holds the tube above the mercury level in the stem. When the mercury expands, the index is pushed up the stem, but the spring holds it in place when mercury contracts. The end of the index near the bulb registers the highest temperature reached. So children, here you can see the figure of maximum thermometer and our minimum. See children, the above one is our maximum thermometer and the below one is our minimum thermometer. The minimum thermometer uses alcohol as liquid and the index is inside the level of the liquid. When the temperature falls, the alcohol contracts. Its surface acting as stretched skin pulls down the index. The index stays in the position when the temperature rises and the alcohol expands. The end of the index away from the bulb registers the minimum temperature reached. In both these thermometers, a magnet is used to reset the index. So children, it is the configuration of maximum and minimum thermometer is given. Here you can see index is there both the case, which will show you the maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Okay, the maximum thermometer will show the maximum temperature or highest temperature of the day, and our minimum thermometer will show you the lowest temperature of the day. Difference between both the thermometer is that in our maximum thermometer we are using mercury, whereas in minimum thermometer we are using our alcohol. Okay, this thing you should know about these two thermometers. Okay children, then these maximum and minimum thermometers are used to know the highest and lowest temperatures attained during the day, as I have already told. So in both the case, the index will tell your maximum temperature and our minimum temperature by the expanding and contracting liquid in both the case. Okay, in first case we will see about the mercury level, and in the second case we will see the alcohol level. So children, I hope you all of you have understood up to this. Next video we will learn approximation and accurate measurement. Thank you.